Nice! Hi guys! Ngayon, dinner namin ay ito. Loko. Ay, kasi nakakamansa yung gabi yan. This is kind of taro. Kasi yung taro, different one. Some, they say malagkit, or sa aming mga Ilocano, dikat na aba, or malagkit na gabi. Ito sa aming mga Ilocano, ito, loko. Masarap. Ito yung pusa. Gusto yung gabi. Hi! Lexi. I'm gonna introduce my one of the new pet. Her name is Lexi. Hi. Okay. Muning. Pwede naman daw hindi kasi may mga tao na pag magluto sila ng gabi ay ang tawag doon? Ay! Makate. Hindi ako pwede magluto ng ganito kasi makate. May mga lucky person na pag magluto sila ng gabi hindi siya makate. Sorry guys, pero ako talaga makate. Magluto ako ng gabi. Hindi pag-order. Ako maglinis lang. Pero sabi din nga na pag daw siya magluto nito, hindi naman daw makati, wag mo lang. So, kailangan hintayin ko pa siya para siya simple lang. Masarap ito pag may baboy. Baboy yan. Okay. Ano lang nga pagluto na siya. Yan ang cute, nalinisan na. Malaki siya. Ayan. Sarap sana. May garlic ng baboy. Kahapon lang namin ito kinuha sa bundok. Ito, tanim ng father ko. So, 2015 siya namatay. So, still have sa kanyang tsuga at sa pagtatanim. Pati yung pinabang, diba? Kaya, habang maaga, habang tayo nakubuhay, magtanim tayo ng our generation. Once we will know in this world, our next generation will use. Right? Night shift. She have work tonight. That's why now he's sleeping tonight. Tapos na, linis na. Hugasan ko na lang. Okay. See you. Ito na yung may salt na hindi result yung ito yung itang natin yung what do you call this one? This is the stem and the leaf. This is like the roots. Same like what's the root? What do you call that one?
It is like a potato stuff one.
How
The root one under the sand,
So you
and
see.
above the sand, the right side. stems.
Okay.
Below the sand, the white thing.
Okay. My mother, we're gonna cook first this one. Okay.
Today we have prepared the dish already. I'll show you what exactly that one. Okay, first let me show you. This is the one Taro, but it is a different kind of LOKO which they used to tell. Okay, so they take here only. First I will take the rice. You keep that. First I need to check it. See here.
You take the fish. You don't like?
This is the Taro root one. Okay, below the sand. This one is stem. Okay, this and that stem. Everything. See the fish. We put for the taste only. This one. So that
You
it will
try
be
to
nice.
taste the soup.
Okay, taste the soup.
Hey.
I can feel the stem of one. Okay, and then it is like a fish taste also there. The salty taste. I can feel it because we have put the fried fish, right? We just fried that one and then we mix this one. Sometimes they used to add the pork also. They will add baboy. Okay. I will take a little bit taste. I don't too much. I want to take stem also. See here. It's very soft, the stem. You don't want to cook too much. Little bit you can cook. A few minutes only. Easily cook. But the only thing that roots one. Okay.
Roots, that one is ginger.
Ginger. Sorry. Okay, this one. I will mix it first with the rice. Okay. Today the rice is like a sticky one. I like this kind of thing. I will just
Kata mo
eat this
na.
one.
Gurit. Kata mo na.
I will taste this one. See, this is the stem. This one is very soft. It's very like a jelly one. Some person this one they don't like it, most of them, because it is like a sticky one. That is why. But the taste is very nice. You can taste very. See the ginger we have put. We'll mix some rice. Okay. Some fish. Okay. See this. Not too much. Little bit I can see the bone. This one also. And the root. See here. This one also, it's not too much cook. Okay. This fruit is very soft also. Even though when you feel touch that one, it is
That
hard.
one is
But
ginger.
no, that ginger. But this one, it is, even though it is touching, when you are touching this one, it is hard. But when you eat this one, it is very soft. Nice. It's very healthy dish. Taro is. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe. And we will meet you on the next video. Okay guys, and our YouTube channel name is Twohungry Travels. Please support us. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.